spanning the globe to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information about three-rail trains. This is What's New in O-Gauge.
Yes, this is What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. See the video description for links to all the products mentioned in this episode. And be sure to visit the Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront portal. Here you can find handy links to hundreds of railroad and model railroad items selected from the Walmart.com network of retailers. Follow the link in the video description or use your smartphone and snap a photo of this handy QR code to visit the store. And of course, our channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And now to the new items. Menards has introduced a new Sooty's coal tipple structure. This pre-lit, pre-assembled structure includes 4 O-scale figures, an exclusive Sooty's ore car, and an exclusive Dodge swept-side truck. The model is currently available online for $99.99 before rebates. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2024 O-scale Premier SD50 diesel locomotive in Chessie System, Reading and Northern, Seaboard System, Norfolk Southern, and Conrail colors next summer. Each of these offerings will be available in 2 authentic cab numbers in limited quantities and is expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in July 2024. The suggested retail price is $599.95 each. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Gauge 50-foot double-door boxcar in distinctive Tabasco pepper sauce colors for exclusive distribution by the Train Loft. The cars will be produced in 2 car numbers in extremely limited quantities. They will be available for delivery beginning in April 2024. The pre-order price is $69.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-scale 70-ton 3-bay hopper car in Wisconsin Central colors for exclusive distribution by Berwyn's Toys and Trains. The cars are offered in 2 unique car numbers in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis and are slated to arrive in June 2024. The early order price is $69.99 plus freight. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-scale U25B diesel locomotive in Conrail patch colors for exclusive distribution by MTH authorized retailers Easy Catch and Dixie Union Station. The locomotives will be available in 2 unique cab numbers in extremely limited quantities beginning in May 2024. The early order price is $529.99 plus freight. MTH Electric Trains has also announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-scale U25B diesel in Wabash colors for Mr. Muffin's trains in Atlanta, Indiana. The locomotives will be available in 2 unique cab numbers in extremely limited quantities beginning in May 2024. The early order price is $519.95. New in paperback is Rock Island Diesels and Cabooses, an illustrated look by Daniel T. Edwards. This 44-page volume provides details about Rock Island diesel and caboose decoration and should be of interest to any fan of this classic railroad. See the link in the video description for pricing and availability. Also new in hardback is Montana Rail Link through the lens of John Crisanti. This presentation across Big Sky Country begins in Billings and Laurel, Montana, where first and second generation diesel locomotives still earn their keep building trains and serving local customers. The railroad heads west along the Yellowstone River to Livingston and over Bozeman Pass. Following the footsteps of Lewis and Clark, a daily practice since 1883. The railroad crosses the Rocky Mountains over Moulin Pass and through the breathtaking scenery of western Montana and northeast Idaho. The story concludes in Sand Point in this colorful presentation of classic modern mainline railroading across Montana. See the link in the video description for pricing and availability. And remember to visit our new Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links, so you can find the item you want while you keep these videos coming by supporting our channel. Remember to check out our latest long-format video every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.